In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send GCash anonymously. Now, you may be wondering if it's possible to send GCash completely anonymously. The answer is no. GCash requires that you use a registered account, which means your identity is linked to your verified account information. However, you can use GCash's built-in privacy features to keep some of your information private. Let's walk through the steps together. First, you'll need to open the GCash app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account. It's important to always keep your app updated to ensure you have the latest security features. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This will make it easier to navigate the features we'll be using today. Next up, tap on the Send button. This is usually prominently displayed on the home screen of the app. By tapping here, you'll be able to start the process of sending money. Remember, using the correct option from the start ensures a smooth and quick transaction. After tapping Send, the next step is to click on Express Send. This option allows you to send money quickly and efficiently. It's a great feature for when you need to transfer funds without any hassle. The convenience of Express Send can't be overstated. It saves you time and effort, which is always a plus. Now you'll need to enter the mobile number of the recipient. Make sure to double-check the number before proceeding. Entering the wrong number can result in your money going to someone else, and that can be difficult to correct. Taking a moment to verify ensures your funds reach the intended person. Once you've entered the mobile number, it's time to input the amount you wish to send. Be cautious here as well, to avoid sending the wrong amount. Precision is key when dealing with financial transactions. It's worth noting that GCash allows you to send different amounts depending on your account limits. With that ready, you'll notice that GCash automatically displays a partially hidden name instead of your full name. This feature is designed to protect your identity by not revealing your complete name to the recipient. It's a small but significant privacy measure that offers some anonymity in your transactions. At this point, you can review all the details you've entered. Double-check the recipient's number and the amount, ensuring everything is correct. This step is crucial because once you send the money, it can be challenging to retrieve it if a mistake was made. Confirming your details before sending ensures the transaction goes smoothly. Finally, once you're satisfied with all the information, you can proceed to send the money. You will see a confirmation appear on your screen, letting you know that the transaction was successful. This confirmation is your assurance that the money has been sent as intended. In conclusion, while you can't send GCash completely anonymously, using the app's privacy features can help protect some of your personal information. Always remember to review your transaction details before sending, as this can prevent errors and ensure your money reaches the right person. Thank you for watching, and happy sending!